So today we're going to be trying to snipe some NFTs alive. Okay, so we're going to be doing a live trading NFT video today, and we're going to be trading Alex Becker's new collection, Neo Tokyo Season 2. I think this will be a profitable opportunity. So I don't want to make this video too long, but let me give you the premise and minimum breakdown of this trade. So people are paying 1 Ethereum to mint these outer citizens. On top of that, they're paying roughly 10 bytes, I think, minimum. They're burning it, right, to actually get the rarity of their citizen. So the more bytes you burn, the rarer the citizen you get. So minimum, if you do the math, 1 Ethereum plus 10 bytes is roughly 5,200 bucks. Okay, so people are paying 5,200 bucks to get themselves this NFT. Now, understanding what people are paying for this, when we go to the secondary market, we're going to have a good logical understanding of what these should be selling for. So once again, if people are paying $5,200 for this and they flip it for a 2x, meaning they flip it for double the price at $10,000, that sounds pretty reasonable, right? A lot of people would be happy to walk away today with a $5,000 profit, but those are the short-minded individuals. Those are the people who are happy to leave with such a measly profit. But we've seen this happen before, and we will see it happen again, I believe. In Neo Tokyo Season 1, the original first collection that Alex Becker dropped, they were going for around $10,000 to $13,000, right? Now that set is going for $300,000, $400,000 and has flipped CryptoPunks in floor price. So that's a massive discrepancy there, where the market undermines the value in relation to the price, meaning they flip it for a bad price in relation to what the value actually was. So that's an example of where the market gets the price wrong. And I think today we'll see the same thing. I think people will undervalue this Neo Tokyo Season 2, and that's where we're going to come in and snipe some. So I'd like to get a few. I don't know exactly how much they'll go for, but think about it, right? So if people are paying $5,200, usually you can expect people to flip it for 2x, double their money for $10,000. So that's what I'm expecting. I think there's a good chance that these will be $10,000 to $15,000 on the secondary market. If that's the case, we'll go ahead and pick up a few. All right, so guys, people are about to get their outer identities. We know that because the link to go claim their codes has been posted. So you can go to link to contract, and then you can go over here and find the exact address. So you click on the token tracker, find the contract, right, then you go over here and paste it. So a lot of people, right, it's not like Alex Becker's posted the official OpenSea, right? You gotta figure these things out on your own. Now, eventually everyone's gonna know, but yeah, so you paste that code here, boom, Neo Tokyo outer identities. And so now we can see they're going for 5 Ether right now. But remember, people are just claiming their outer identities. So I think there's going to be some more supply to come onto the market here. And as much as I'd love to pull the trigger and take this for 5 Ethereum, I am going to wait just a little bit longer. So we'll see. There is no guaranteed way to nail this, guys. It's logic, it's intuition, and my intuition is I should wait a little bit longer as people get some of their identities. Boom, see, we're dropping to 4.5 Ether there. Not bad, not bad, right? So I'm gonna wait here, and we'll see exactly what I decide to do. I'm just gonna kind of play it as we go, guys. There's no one knows. I don't know the future, but let's go, guys. All right, so guys, we can see people are already sniping it for 3.5 Ether right there, right? So we can see the floor at 3.69 is getting picked up. So let's keep that in mind. There are active and willing buyers so far, 3.69. Now, if we look at 3.99, boom, picked up. Okay, so people are taking this for 3.69, 3.99. That can change, but it's given us an estimation, or it's given us a little bit, we're starting to figure out, okay, people are paying 3.5, people are paying 4, right? Because if they're just sitting at 4.5 and no one's buying it, then that's going to tell you what? That, okay, there's probably, if no one's buying it at for 4.5, then it's probably going to drop, and then you're going to get an opportunity there. So we're waiting for the opportunity, guys. People are sniping them up quickly, and so that's what we want to do, is snag them for 3.5 would be ideal. People are taking these up quickly, though. You can see the floor price is 7.5, when really, actually, I can't tell if that's sold or not. Sometimes you got to realize when things are going quickly, It's very hard to know because OpenSea kind of takes a while to load. So, we could be dead wrong, right? We could buy these at we could buy this at 4.99 Ether, right? And the floor could actually be like 2.5 or 3. Now, honestly, I don't think so, right? So there's no guarantees here. It's a lot of this is a little bit of luck right now. So I think this is taken, right? So can't get that there. Let's go here. Oh, 4.2. Let's go take this one. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. So we're going to need to increase the gas price to hopefully beat anyone who's out there trying to get this. And nope, someone already got it, right? So people are sniping these up quickly. And we are just going to hope that we can get our own. So remember, people are getting their new identities, right? This is probably going to be taken, right? So as people, whoever wants to just flip it, what are they going to do? They're going to list it at the floor, right? And then it's going to instantly get sniped. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go above the floor. Let's see here. We may go for 4.7 Ether if we have to. Let's see here. Let's keep it going. We can see when I started looking, there was 400 items. Now we can see it's 895. So people are starting to get theirs, right? Let's see here. 4.5. Let's go for it, guys. And then if the floor price drops, we should be able to get a second one. So we're going to go for this one. Someone may beat us to the punch here. So we're going to go ahead and set these gas fees to give us priority, hopefully. And if that'll go through, then we should get this one for 4.5 Ether, which should leave us with some room to get a second identity. So boom, confirmed, we got it. All right, let's go ahead and try to get another one for hopefully a better price. But I want to secure one there. But it does look like these are being picked up nicely around that price. So I think, boom, we've secured one there. And like I said, I think, it's a solid bet, guys. Learn to bet on creators. Learn to bet on good people. And it's just a good strategy, So we've got one secured, guys, and we will be looking to secure another one. I'll keep you up to date. Let's go. Second one for 4.29 Ether right here. Let's go ahead and try to get this done. We may or may not get it, all right? But we're going to go with 140 for both here. And that should hopefully get us to beat anyone else going for this one. We may not. Someone may beat us to it though, right? So let's refresh here and see. Boom, we are now the owner. So we were able to get two here in this live video. And so that one I got for 4.29. So basically right at the floor. And so what you got to realize is there's a very limited supply here. And very few people, in my opinion, or you have to understand the community and the type of people here. So, of course, you're going to have flippers, but you're going to have a large portion, a large majority of people who actually want to be in this for the long term, who actually think that they're going to be a part of the future and when it comes to gaming and all this stuff. So, I think that, this will be a solid pickup here. So we've got two of those, and that's going to be it for now, I guess. So what we can do now is we can wait, we can be patient and wait for the floor price to rise. And yeah, guys, that's really it for now. So we'll check back in later, guys. All right, so guys, just 1 hour later, I went and got some food. I come back and I check, and we're already at a 6 Ethereum floor price. So just like that, in 1 hour, we're up, what is that? If we're up 1.5 Ether on two of these, it's roughly 3 Ethereum profit. So in 1 hour, we're now up $12,000. So yet again, logic prevails. Now, there was risk involved here. When we bought at 4.2 Ether, there was a chance that, the price could have went lower, right? And it's just about measuring your risk to reward and just trying to make the most logical decisions. Now, some people are better than others. Some people, you think you're making logical decisions, you're just making shitty decisions. But this is one we took the risk on, and in just 1 hour, it's already paid off. So not every opportunity pays off that quickly. Sometimes if you have strong conviction, you're going to need to wait a little bit longer. For example, Hex, one of my highest conviction plays. It just continued dropping. It doesn't mean I lose confidence in it. Instead, I buy more. So you got to understand, some plays they pay off right away, some plays don't. This one's paying off, and so now we're up $12,000 in, like I said, 1 hour. So this is only day one of these identities. Could these be much, much higher in a week from now, 2 weeks from now, 2 months from now? I would bet, and I would say yes. So that's why we have no intentions to sell this right now. But guys, that's going to wrap it up for day one of these identities. Now we've got UFC 269 here, so I'm going to enjoy my day, kick back, and relax. Alright guys, just kidding. I was about to post a video, and then I realized we're at 6.5 Ether floor, so do the math. We're making 2 Ether on each, right? Bought for 4.29 and 4.5. So we're making 4 Ethereum. It's now a $16,000 profit. So now, in my title of my video, I could put making $16,000 in 60 minutes on Alex Becker NFT. So that should get me some views. So, alright guys, we'll see you on the next one. Actually, guys, on Twitter, I've posted my parlay for this week on UFC 269. If you guys want to make those bank accounts great again, let's find it here. Stick with me, guys. I'm going to give you the best parlay for UFC 269 this week. Let's check it out. Alright, so guys, right here. If you're not following me on Twitter, you should, at Trading Crashes. This is my most confident bet slip for tonight. We've got Ryan Howell minus 200, Tai Tuivasa minus 115, Poirier minus 145, Jeff Neal right there. So the thing I will say about this, I think the hardest pick here is going to be Dustin. Dustin's my second favorite fighter, therefore I have to go with him. But I think Tai Tuivasa is a lock. Ryan Hall is a lock. Jeff Neal, I think, is a lock. So this is the hardest one. If Dustin wins, then this is going to be a complete winning parlay. So maybe the play for you guys to do, and you don't have to, I'm just thinking, this is kind of a thing I was thinking about, is maybe we switch this Dustin Poirier one for Charles Oliveira and just set up 2 parlays. Because I honestly think that this is the deciding factor. I'm pretty damn confident in the other 3 picks. Does it make sense? So you can just do 2 parlays, one with Dustin winning, one with Charles winning. So guys, make those bank accounts great again. I'll see you on the next one. Take care, and follow me if you haven't already, guys. Take care. Bye.